Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Monday the 25th of January 2016. And on Friday, we can see the market was fairly sideways in the pre-market session and then came to life in the main part of the session. But it took it a moment or two before prices actually started to move. And you can see we had a sell signal here, the market filling this and then driving through the scalp, and then eventually within the next few minutes driving through the psychological level here, the blue one, the minor one, at 16,050 down to 16,000. And that 16,000 I've talked about most of the autumn. This is a major psychological level for this market, and you can see there the market coming off this, and again later in the session giving another 20-point profit on this trade. This one, depending how you actually traded it, trailing stop, you would have been taken out down here for around 63 points and 88 points down at the psychological level there. Now what's interesting in this market is the daily chart, so we need to try and get some idea of how much bounce this market's got. I suspect not too much. So let's just draw in a few things here, because we need to know where the market's likely to find some sort of struggle. We can see we've got one there at 16,136, 16,276, and then up to 16,418, and then no doubt this is the 500, or just about the 500 level there as well. So let's see how well this market performs in coming back to these levels. And also I'm just going to remove these for a second, because I just want to have a look at the Fibonacci on this as well. So from here down to here, we're already through the 76%, so the 16,077 has become a support area for this market. And I'm just going to roll back to this next high down to this low, and again 16,341, which is that similar area there from these lower highs. So let's see how the market fares from between this high down to this low. If it starts to struggle in this area, then we can look for the market to continue to the downside, and the downside is where this market's going. It can bounce as much as it wants, but I'm telling you now, this is not a normal correction in this market at all. We have to turn the corner and heading to the downside now, bear market territory as it's called. On the economic news front today, what have we got? Oh, blimey. Draghi's out again today, talking up the markets. He's coming out at 6 p.m. this evening, no doubt with more tools to bolster the economy. None of it's worked. They're 4 trillion on the balance sheet and 60 billion a month for nearly 12 months now, and I haven't seen one jot of difference that it's made. Got the implied volatility down at 1930. And that's reflected in the chart. That's because the market's getting a bounce at the moment, so we're seeing the froth come out of the implied volatility, which is no surprise there at all. It needs to breathe a bit before it can move back to the upside, which means that the underlying market has to move lower. Shanghai was up a lot more this morning. It's now only up 0.3. And again, once we've had this bit of bounce out of the way, they pumped in billions last week. People's Bank of China did, and you can see it's had absolutely no effect. I will see you in tomorrow's Market Alert. As ever, have a great day, and also thanks for your support, and also for watching. See you in the next one.